Hello everyone, it's another time for music, let's put it that way. Today we're actually going to continue where we stopped, talking of music letters. So we're going to call this session part 2 or lesson 2, class 2, whichever, of musical letters. But I would like to start with a kind of appetizer that I call appetizer for you, and that will be song. I'd like to sing song or teach you one or two songs about music letters that will excite you, and that will be a kind of reminder for you anytime, any day. So listen to this. We'll talk about letters. That's the 7 letters, first 7 letters of English alphabet. So can you remind me, especially for those of you who were with me in our last class, the previous class? Yes, the first letter, that's what? Okay, good. A. The sounds are followed by what? Okay, good. B. That's B. Then after B we have what? Yes, let me hear you. Okay, good. C. That's K. Then followed by D. That's D. And then we have letter E. That's F. Followed by F. And then we have the last letter of music, which is G. That is G. So listen to this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, K, D, F, G. Music letters that I know. There are music letters globally. I'll take it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, K, D, F, G. Music letters that I know. There are music everly. There are music letters globally. There are music letters globally. So don't forget that. We'll always remind ourselves of that song. Then there's also a particular one that I coined out of regular rhymes for my pre-elementary pupils. We would say, ant, oh, that's A. A for ant on the apple, ant on the apple, ant on the apple, That is the sound of A. Balls are bouncing, balls are bouncing, balls are bouncing, and that is the sound of B. Caterpillars coughing, caterpillars coughing, caterpillars coughing. That is the sound of C. Then dolls are dancing, dolls are dancing, dolls are dancing, and that is the sound of D. An elephant, elegant elephant, elegant elephant, elegant elephant, That is the sound of E. Then 5 flamingos, 5 flamingos, 5 flamingos. That is the sound of F. And finally for music we say goats are giggling, g, g, g. Goats are giggling, g, g, g. Goats are giggling, g, g, g. And that is the sound of G. Yes, I hope you find that exciting and a good reminder for you. So let's continue. Okay. One thing you need to know here is that we're going to make this very practical. I'm going to be showing you these letters on different musical instruments. And basically today I'm quickly going to show you how it works on recorder. Because one thing that I've come to realize is that pupils, students generally find the use of recorder very easy. That is to tell you that the recorder is very common with school pupils, especially elementary pupils. And I think it's because one is very handy, and secondly, it's very common and cheap to come by. So you find virtually every elementary pupil with recorder. So for that reason, I'm going to be showing you a few things on recorder. Of course, as you can see, this is a recorder, and this is another recorder. They are of different types, which I'm going to talk about, emphasize upon in our next class or our subsequent class or classes. And now look at this. Every instrument has this letter on. It may be invisible. You may be wondering, where are the letters? Where are the letters written on the instruments? No, we're not talking of the fact that these letters are written on music. But one way or the other, the letters are on the instruments. So for example, for recorder, as you can see, the holes, we can see that recorder is made of holes. So let me just tell you that the holes on the recorder are actually the letters. So the way you manipulate these holes will give you the letter. So take note of that. Let me run through the letters. That will be the last thing for this section. Then in our next class, we continue where we stop. Look at me. It has to do with how you can cover the holes properly. And as I'm holding it, I have succeeded in covering all the holes. This is actually what we call auto recorder. Look at it, and I'm going to sound the letters one after the other, and then I stop for today. Thank you. Till I come your way again in our next class. God bless you.